Hi there. Today, our topic is about policies and procedures, part 1. We have a dialogue between Tiffany, a new hired employee, and Joe, manager. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here's the conversation.
Hey, Tiffany, why you look so angry?
Hi, Joe. I am really sick of those policies and procedures. Why this company has so many policies and procedures. I am fed up with these. First of all, why we have both? Just one set should be fine, I guess.
Tiff, only well-organized organizations have policies. The larger the organization, the more complex are the policies set up by a department, or among all departments within the organization.
Okay, I know, our company is big. If we have policies, it should be sufficient. Why we have procedures?
You can consider policies as the guidelines or high-level definition and rules for something. It is at high-level rules for employees to follow.
Okay. High-level rules, so for procedures, these are the detailed process?
Exactly. Based on the high-level rules, procedures are made based on the policies. There are connection between them. Tiff, don't be upset. The company has provided orientation program for new hire. These includes briefing on key policies and procedures. Even we have worked for a while. There are new update seminar offered to us.
Wow, what an organized company. I shall spend some time on this for better understanding. Thanks, Joe, for your advice. Joe is right. Policies are high-level rules, and based on these rules, detailed process are developed as procedures. Some organization may even has working instructions under procedures for employees to follow step by step. Not all policies have procedures. Some policies are standalone. For example, delegation of authority. It is a company-wide policy and is covering other policies like T&E policy on T&E claims, inventory management policy on inventory write-off, etc. On the other hand, not all procedures have referencing policies. It sounds like complicated. So the naming conversion of policies and procedures are very important. That needs detailed planning. Otherwise, at company level, policies and procedures are issued without alignment, could be very messy. Finally, it's also a best practice to have orientation for new hire and refresher seminar to employees to ensure policies are briefed for their understanding and compliance. We shall talk more in part 2. Stay tuned. To recap, here are the key points. Naming convention is a key control in aligning policies and procedures within the whole organization. As a best practice, there should be orientation and update seminar arranged for new hire and employees for their understanding and compliance. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about HR systems. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.